Hello student, this is Anuraj and you are watching IT Super Class. Today we will learn about what is computer network. So we are start. What is computer? Here we can see that computer is a device that accept data which means your raw data that is provided by the user, that process with the help of processor or CPU. Then it store data stored at your hard disk or store any other storage devices and produces the output. After that it show the result of all the processing of the data, and all according to a series of stored instruction, means all will be done in a series of instruction that are given by the user. Basically we can see that computers are devices that accept data, process and store the data. After that it produces the result in a series of instruction. After that, network. What is a network? Basically it is a group of computing devices. Computing devices means the devices which are able to automate their work, which means the जो डिवाइसेस खुद से काम कर सकती हैं वो होती हैं कंप्यूटिंग डिवाइसेस. जस्ट लाइक योर कैलकुलेटर और योर computer, your desktop, that are linked together to share the resources. But here the question is, why these computers or these mobile devices are linked together? To share the information. That's why they link together. Just like आप WhatsApp यूज़ करते हैं, just like आप फ़ोन यूज़ करते हैं, तो आपको अगर कॉलिंग करनी होती है तो आप सबसे पहले फ़ोन को कनेक्ट करते हैं दूसरे फ़ोन से ताकि आप कॉल कर सको या फिर मैसेज भेज सको व्हाट्सएप या FB पे. तो ये होता है आपका शेयरिंग इंफॉर्मेशन एंड रिसोर्सेज. जस्ट लाइक दिस इज़ योर नेटवर्क, here is your computer, or here is an other computer that may be a devices just like your mobile phone. They are linked together with the help of any wired or unwired cable. Here there is a one more definition of network, that is it is a collection of two or more computer or devices that are connected together to share the information. Basically this is the same kind of definition, just like two computer or two mobile devices that are connected with each other to share the information and resources. Basically it is used for sharing the data and resources. After that, what is computer network? Basically after combining these two definitions, we can say that computer network basically a set of communication element that connected by communication link which can be wired or wireless link. Here what is communication element? Communication element are the communication devices that may be your computer, desktop, mobile phones, router, etc. This is an simple example of computer network. Just like this is your computer and this is another computer that are connected with each other with the help of link that may be wired or wireless. And here is a mobile is also connected with any other computer. This is called your computer network. After that, topology. What is topology? This Basically, it refers the way that how these networks are designed, how these are connected, either physically or logically. It is basically a representation of the network. Here it is an example of topology, that is how the router or how any device is connected with each other to form a network. Here is one router and two routers that is connected to different server that are forming a simple topology. Basically, topology is a physical or logical representation of the network. There are different type of topology, just like ring topology, mesh topology, bus topology, star topology, and tree topology. That's all about the computer network. In our next video we will learn about the type of computer network. Till then, bye, subscribe and watch my YouTube channel.